माननीय मंत्री जी ने बहुत अच्छा और बड़ा विस्तृत उत्तर दे दिया है, अच्छा जवाब दिया है ना।
I want to ask the Honourable Minister, what is the Indian government doing to integrate the OEMs, streamline supply chain and enhance management to compete with the global MRO hubs? How does India plan to tackle the issue of land availability around airports for the MRO hub, heavy traffic at international airports?
One historic decision has been taken regarding this, sir, where the inverted GST, which covers the components and the MRO services that is there. Before the decision was taken on 12th of July 2024, the GST regarding the MRO components and all used to have different slabs. When you are importing these components, there was 5%, there was 12%, 18% and 28% different slab. But right now, we have reduced the whole different slabs and made it a unified slab for 5%, which is going to help us in increasing the MRO industry from 2 billion to up to 4 billion in the coming 7 years, sir. That is the projection that we have made.
There are three challenges that the MRO sector faces that have not been addressed in the written answer. Catering to the demand and maintenance requirements for the available fleet size in India. What about ambition for the international fleet, sir? There are many international airlines that could stop in India. For example, Thiruvananthapuram is on the route. We would be able to offer MRO facilities there. Secondly, sir, the industry has not been integrating well into established value chains. And the third concern, sir, is you mentioned various incentives, but you said nothing about whether we can include MROs under production-linked incentives, the PLI scheme of the government.
Three different points, and the first one is regarding harmonizing with the international bodies, and I don't agree with him totally, sir, when he says that we are not harmonizing with these international bodies, because we understand when we are setting up these MRO facilities, it is not just for the airlines that are there, Indian airlines in the country also. MRO, we want to create the atmosphere where international airlines also come and access our facilities. I'm happy that the member acknowledges that PLI is a very good scheme which this NDA government has started under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji. We have got the recommendation through the committee also, and definitely wherever this PLI incentive has been introduced to any sector, there has been observation of huge growth potential. See what best can be done for MROs to be linked up with PLI. Thiruvananthapuram MRO facility, I'm going to ensure that it's not stopped. Any support that is required from our ministry, we are going to provide so that the MRO goes forward.
माननीय मंत्री जी ने बहुत अच्छा और बड़ा विस्तृत उत्तर दे दिया है, अच्छा जवाब दिया है ना।